Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine Solutions. Today we're going to be talking about the ReefScope Rover T1 underwater camera. This is a unique camera as it is transom mounted. This is the 26-foot cable variant, but it is offered in 13, 26, and 52-foot cable lengths. It is transom mounted so that it is an easy installation. It is 3/16 stainless steel, so it's going to last a while. It is a 2 megapixel sensor with 1080p resolution and is compatible with most chart plotters as long as you have a video input. Product packaging is very nice, a lot of specs on the outside of it, and let's get to opening this up. When you open up your box, you will have a bunch of hardware as well as your BNC to RCA adapter, Allen key. You will also have a RCA video to video if the device you have hanging off is a female hanging there. And then you have your mounting hardware. Owner's manuals, if you scan this QR code right here, they do have a nice manual, a bunch of videos, and make it very easy walk through on that. They do supply a clamshell for the wire to go through. Then you have your mounting bracket. Nice stainless steel, 4 mounting holes. And then you have your camera itself. This thing is very, very heavy duty. It has a sapphire lens on it. When put together, it will sit in the bracket as so, mounted on the back of your vessel. Just like that, pointing straight down. There's a lot of videos out there. We will be taking more videos as well. It is a very good picture quality under the vessel. We've used ours fishing inshore in the flats as well as also going over reefs and being able to see everything. Your cable, you specify your cable length. They do offer custom cable lengths, so if you do need a longer cable than 52 foot, they will custom make the cables as needed. This is the 26-foot variant. They have a nice connector here to take this off and makes passing it through the vessel a little bit easier. And then what you're left with on the MFD side is your analog video out. If you have a male, which most do not, it would just connect directly to this. And then if you have a Garmin unit, you will use the RCA to BNC adapter, and this will just plug in like so, and then give you your BNC. If you have a device with a female video cable hanging, which that would be your Simrads and Furunos, then you will take the male-to-male adapter and connect just like so. The other side of this cable is your positive and negative cable to supply power to the camera. It is a very straightforward install. They've made it very easy to get a picture under your vessel. Again, this is very, very robust stainless steel. We have one on our personal demo boat, and it has been great. We will be doing a lot more product review videos, and we'll have those posted soon. You can find this product in the link in the description below. We offer the 3 standard cable sizes, and if you needed a different cable size, then just reach out to us and we will get with ReefScope and they will make different cable lengths for us. Again, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine Solutions, and thanks for watching.